Hey everyone, it's your girl Cosmics Wonderland, and in my video today, I'm going to show you all a life hack. This is a clothing hack also, but it affects us girls in our lives. So ladies, have you ever washed your favorite pair of denim shorts just to get them out of the dryer looking like this? Look at this. Another question for you girls. How many of you out there, comment down below if you're not afraid to say it. I will go ahead and say it loud and proud. Well, not so proud, but loud, that I do not know how to iron. I don't know how to iron. I don't know if I even have one. But like I said, these are my favorite pair of shorts. We don't want to look like this, do we? The bottom seam that is supposed to flip up and not look like it is now. It's not going to do it on its own. It needs to be ironed to stay in place. So what you're going to do is flip them under. This is a simple, quick, and easy clothing hack for if you don't know how to actually iron. I'm going to show you how to do so with your flat iron, girls. So what happens when you want your shorts to not look like this and to look more like this? I was able to go ahead and roll them up and they're slightly staying. However, I know they're not going to stay this way all day. I do need to iron to keep them from unraveling and looking crazy, but I don't know how to iron. The struggle is real. So what are we gonna do? Pull out your flat iron, and I want to go ahead and apologize that mine is a little grimy. It still works, it's fully functional, so that's why I keep it. Also, my YouTube channel is not monetized yet. It used to be, and now it's not. And so with my channel not being monetized, I don't have $100 to go and blow on a new one if mine is still working. I'm sorry, it's a little dingy. It's got about 4 or 5 years of use out of this bad boy. I did try and do a hack this morning on cleaning this. I used isopropyl alcohol, and I heated it up and I used a towel to try and wipe it down. I got like this portion pretty good, but I mean, I can't help it. So disregard this. So make sure the iron is clean, and what we're going to do is turn our hair straightener on. Mine goes all the way up to 400. I am going to put it just under halfway because we don't want to burn our clothing. And now we're gonna let that heat up. I'm gonna take off my shorts. You obviously want to keep the folds that you had made while you were wearing them. We're gonna change camera perspective so you can see me iron my denim, but with a twist, a life hack. If you don't know how to iron, if you don't have an iron, if you've used an iron in the past, which I have, and it's actually like, oh, it's ruined a lot of clothing. We are going to iron our denim using our flat iron. Yes, the iron that did my hair this morning. I'm now going to life hack fix my denim so I can wear these out all day. Let's go. So my flat iron is heated. What we're gonna do is, you see the folds that we made? We're gonna take our flat iron and we're going to press If you're wondering, I am not using water on my clothing like you would with an iron because it'll mess up your flat iron. Now you don't want to do this too many times or for too long. However, if you do it correctly, this will ensure that they will stay all day long. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of these. See, this side already unraveled. This is why we have to do this. Because if I were wearing these and this happened, oh Lord. Notice I'm more doing so in a pressing fashion so I don't burn the fabric, the denim. And if anyone's wondering, these are 98% cotton and 2% spandex. This method works for what I'm doing. I'm not gonna say that this will not, 100% will not damage any of your clothing, but if you're willing to give it a shot like I was, because I let these sit on top of a cabinet for like a month without wearing them because I was too lazy to iron. And I finally just really wanted to freaking wear these. And I was like, what can I do? I figured it out. Now let's try them on. Here you have it, you guys. These should stay all day long. I tried this 2 days ago and it worked. If you didn't know, that's an option. You can try it. It worked for me. It only takes about 5 to 10 minutes to do this. And it allows you to go all day without the bottom of your denim shorts unrolling. Ugh, I hate that for anyone else who that annoys you. Yeah, and you don't know how to iron? We just figured out a way of doing it. I really hope that you enjoyed this hack. If you're not already subscribed, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button and join the FanFab family. Our spirit animal is the unicorn. We work hard and chase rainbows. So if you liked this video and you like all that I do here on YouTube, then hit that like button down below. Leave a comment if you're willing to try this, if this has helped you. And yeah, oh my goodness. Thank you guys so much for watching. Stay fantabulous, and as always, I will stay fantabulous for you guys. Bye.